How to fix the first Descendant low FPS drop or shuttering on PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you few of the methods with the help of which you will be able to easily fix the FPS issue in the first Descendant game. So in order to fix the issue, the first thing that you can do is you can simply adjust the in-game settings. For that, you can set the graphics quality to medium or low and disable resource intensive options like anti-aliasing, shadows, and reflections. Then you need to lower the resolution to improve your performance. Then you need to try turning P-Sync off to see if it helps with the performance. In the next step, you can optimize the system performance. So you need to ensure that no unnecessary applications or processes are running in the background. For that, you need to go to the control panel and then go to hardware and sound. Then you need to select the power options and select high performance in order to set high performance power plan. In the third step, you need to use performance enhancing softwares like game boosters. So you can use game boosting softwares like Razer Cortex and MSI Afterburner to optimize system performance. Then you can even try cleaning up your system. So you can use the tools like CCleaner to clean up temporary files and optimize system performance. You can even adjust Windows settings, so you can disable the full screen optimization. For that, you need to right click on the game executable, then you need to go to the properties, then go to compatibility and then check disable full screen optimization. You can even check your graphics settings. For that, you need to go to the settings, then go to system, select display, then graphics settings and enable hardware accelerated CPU scheduling at the first Descendant and set it as high performance. So with the help of these four methods, you just have to restart your PC or your laptop and then you just have to relaunch the first Descendant game, and this way you will be able to easily resolve this issue. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.